Why do we age? Some people see it as a bad thing simply because it gets us closer to death, and others see it as a good thing since it's a guideline to maturity. But most wonder what causes us to age in the first place. What causes us to grow old and produce wrinkles once we hit a certain number of milestones in life? The definition of aging is simply just growing older. It represents the accumulation of changes in the human body over time, encompassing physical, psychological, and social changes. Basically, with age comes experience, comes diversity, adjustments, outside and inside forces that causes an individual to evolve. There are people who study the golden ages. They are called gerontologists. They focus on multiple aspects that causes aging from a biological standpoint. In recent years, there's been an increase on the study of aging within the field of chemistry. They believe in the potential life and health pan expanding therapeutics in the near future. That mankind will soon have its own fountain of youth. But how close is soon? And will it be in our lifetime? It's hard to say, but at least we know what are some factors that causes us to change. We age because of the damage, whether physical or chemical, to our DNA and our proteins. What causes these damages, you say? Well, you'll never guess. Oxygen and sugar. Yep, the very thing we need to breathe, and the only thing we have a natural craving for. The damage occurs when there is a break in the biopolymer chain, which are also called cross-linked biopolymers, or a unnatural chemical attachment to a biopolymer. Oxygen is metabolized in the powerhouse of the cell, the mitochondria, and is converted to a superoxide ion that is usually turned into free radicals if the process is done incorrectly, ultimately leading to the damage of the structural proteins in the DNA. This process is mainly associated with stress. Oxidative stress is a good and bad thing. It can lead to the increase of antioxidants, which are molecules in the cell that prevents free radicals by donating electrons without making themselves unstable. But the more antioxidants made, the less effective they become. Free radicals that are made from sugar are somewhat similar, but they mainly affect proteins. Glucose and fructose have reactions with certain amino acids. This process is called glycation, which can become cross-linked proteins or DNA molecules. These cross-links and unnatural chemical attachments are what causes our body to grow and become